妈妈下雨啦。Hello， 今天我们洗脸了。今天是星期六，我们没上学，就在家里。在家里洗澡，有2个弟弟。
有2个弟弟啊。
这样。是冰流啊，欧耶东，欧贝是欧贝树，洗好了。
你好，我是小宝宝。
妈妈，我洗好了。大家好，行了。让我吃手。
别。
下家水，下家体内。反正我呀！
Let's go. Good morning, guys. So welcome back to my channel. So guess what? It's raining here, and in-laws also went to the market to sell their vegetables. And I have no choice. I am going to the farm to get some vegetables to prepare our breakfast. As you can see, it's raining. Let me show you guys. It's raining. So I remember during my first year in China, I experienced something that I hadn't experienced before. So it started raining and we didn't expect it to be that serious. So we have cucumber here. So in China here, before it starts raining, they will alert you ahead of it before the rain starts. So it wasn't a surprise when it started raining on this day. So this is what happened. It started raining and it was normal on the first and second days. So we woke up early in the morning on the third day, and to my surprise, everywhere was flooded. At that time, I was a little bit scared. As I said earlier, that was my first time experiencing something like that. And also, my daughter was only 3 months old. Because of how everywhere was flooded, so those downstairs need to move to upstairs and wait to see if the water would come down, but it didn't. So now we have to fight for our life because the rain didn't stop and the flood was also getting worse. So we called the rescue team and we were taken to another village, which was a safe place for us. Made sure everyone was fine. They gave us food to eat, a place to sleep. I mean, they did very, very well. So if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share.
我要告诉亲亲妈妈给我们烧好吃的，我们开心。那是最棒好玩的。妈妈，你在干啥？妈妈在干啥？
小宝好不好吃？好吃，好吃你多吃一点啊。